Can I get a ticket for a broken side mirror? Have you ever wondered if you could get a ticket for driving with a broken side mirror? This is a common concern for many drivers, and the answer can vary based on where you live. In many states, vehicles are required to have at least 2 working mirrors. Typically, this includes the driver's side mirror and either the rearview mirror or the passenger side mirror. If your side mirror is broken or missing, law enforcement may issue a citation because your vehicle does not meet these safety standards. In some states, the law is quite clear. If your rearview mirror is obstructed or not present, you must have functional side mirrors, especially on the driver's side. Driving without a proper side mirror in these cases is illegal and can lead to a ticket. However, in other states, having just one side mirror, usually the left side, along with a rearview mirror is enough. So, if your passenger side mirror is broken, you might not receive a citation. The penalties for driving with a broken or missing side mirror can differ by state. Fines can range from around $30 to over $50, plus any additional court or processing fees. Many jurisdictions issue what are known as fix-it tickets for this type of equipment violation. A fix-it ticket means you will need to repair or replace the mirror within a specified time frame and provide proof of the fix to avoid paying the fine or having the ticket escalate. Now, let's talk about car insurance. If you receive a ticket for a broken side mirror, it typically does not increase your insurance premiums. This is because such equipment violations are usually classified as non-moving violations. Insurance companies generally do not raise rates for minor infractions like this unless they are linked to more serious driving behavior. However, if the broken mirror contributed to an accident, your insurance claim could be affected. Side mirrors are important for safe driving and accident prevention. When it comes to auto insurance claims and estimating vehicle damage, a broken side mirror is often a straightforward repair. When you file a claim for side mirror damage, an insurance adjuster will assess the damage. This can range from a cracked mirror glass to a completely detached mirror assembly. Repair or replacement costs can vary depending on your vehicle's make and model, and whether the mirror has additional features like heating, power adjustment, or integrated turn signals. Insurance policies with comprehensive or collision coverage usually cover side mirror repairs if the damage occurred due to an accident or another covered event. It is advisable to repair or replace a broken side mirror promptly. This helps maintain vehicle safety and avoids potential legal or insurance complications. So, if you find yourself with a broken side mirror, check your local laws, consider getting it fixed, and keep your insurance coverage in mind.